Part 3. Learning Chinese speaking step by step. Good Chinese speaking demands reading. Reading can be anytime, anywhere, on any topic, at any level. When you are reading, you are speaking. Without reading, you can't learn Chinese by yourself. So, if you are really serious about Chinese study, you need to start learning from Chinese words. 1,000 Chinese words covers 90% daily usage. 300 words covers 50% daily usage. These 5 words already cover 10% daily usage. So learning Chinese words and reading is not so difficult. Chinese words compose phrases. Words and phrases then compose sentence. So we should start from words to learn Chinese speaking. We should not start from sentence or dialogue to learn Chinese speaking. It is too difficult and inefficient. Learning Chinese words one by one at the beginning. Try your best to speak every word accurately. Learning Chinese speaking and reading directly. Do not use PinYin as a middle guy. Recite short sentences to remember words, sounds, and meanings. 1、2、3、4、5天，你、我、他、他们，好，上、中、下、和、前、后、早、午、晚、昨、今、明。Two-word phrase speaking with Chinese rhythm. Speak each word fully and separately, one after another. Speak the first word louder than the second. 喜欢，再见，1、2、3、1，学习，这样，那样，帮帮，你好，早上，晚上。Three-word phrase speaking with Chinese rhythm. Speak 3 words one after another, fully separately. Speak the second word louder than the first one and the third. 帮一帮，3分钟，有爱心，我爱你，你来吧，在哪里？上中下23，那些事。汉语文字 1、2、3、4。大小多少？由易到难，阴冷晴热，横竖撇捺。我和你，前和后，早上和晚上，今天和明天。请问谁爱谁呀？我爱你，我们爱你。帮一帮，帮一下，请帮帮我好吗？东和西，好东西，这东西，这些东西有用吗？我觉得，我认为，我感到，夏欢是个好人。Learn Chinese speaking step by step. Sum up. First, good Chinese speaking demands reading. Second, learning Chinese speaking from words, then phrases, then sentence. Third, learn word speaking one by one. Try your best to speak every word accurately. Fourth, learn 2-word phrases and then 3-word phrases with Chinese rhythm. 6. Learn and recite short sentence